Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display items in your toolbar for Flutter macOS application. So here you can see I have two items. One is called hello. So if I click on it, here you can see simple item clicked, and if I click on this, here it presents two options. Option 1, if I click on option 1 selected, and if I click on option 2 selected. Now some of you might be wondering how to move it to the left side. I really don't know. I tried a couple of ways, I couldn't really figure it out. So in case if you do know, do let me know in the comments. But yeah, let's get started. So for displaying items inside your toolbar, the main thing is that we don't need to write any Dart code. So if I show you, I haven't touched anything, everything is same. You just have to open the XC workspace from macOS inside Xcode. That's what I have done. Then here I have just imported, no, nothing imported, just go to your main Flutter window, and here I have just updated the deployment target to macOS level, and same you can do it over here as well, level. Then here we just have to use this flutter controller.view.window.toolbar is equal to create toolbar. And then here I am just I have created this method with an identifier of main toolbar, and here I am also extending ns toolbar delegate. Then we are overriding this method. So if the identifier is menu toolbar item, then I am displaying a label as well as a palette label. Change this value to whatever you feel like. Then I have created an ns menu, and inside that I am displaying these options, option 1 as well as option 2, and here you can see I have also attached one click listeners to it. And that's how we display it. If you want to display the image, you can use that as well. Next is if it is simple toolbar item, then I have assigned some label, palette label, tooltip, some action, target, is border true. Change this to whatever you feel like, and here I have applied some image as well as one title. Now here we also have to override two other methods. So here we have to pass the same identifier, the simple toolbar item over here, as well as this menu toolbar item over here, which we have. Okay, and ignore this group toolbar item. I'm not really sure if we need this. So let's see if I just ignore this. And here I have added some click listener, so I'll quickly run the application. Here I have added it for group item action, segmented, menu. Are we using group anywhere? I'm not really sure. Let's see. Okay, so I don't think there is any difference. Simple item clicked, option 1. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's how you can display toolbar in your Flutter macOS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.